Good morning, students. Today we do chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples, part 5. So let's start. We do today word problem. So first word problem is find the largest numbers which divide 735 and 1155 exactly, leaving no remainder. Whenever we do word problem of HCF, we always prefer to use longest division method. So here we are using longest division method because numbers are big. Clear? So 735 will come outside. 1155 will come as a dividend here. So it will come inside. Now 735 ones are 735. So 1 I will write as a quotient and 735 will be written down of 1155. When I minus it, I get 420. Now this 735 will become new dividend and it will come inside, and this 420 which is a remainder will come as a divisor. Clear? New divisor. Now I will use 420 table. 420 ones are 420. So 420 will come down of 735. When I minus it, I will get new divisor, means 315, which is the remainder of 735 and 420 will become a new divisor. So now 420 will come inside, and now 315 ones are 315. So now I will minus 420 and 315. When I minus it, I will get 105. Now 315 will become new dividend. It will come inside. Now 105 twos are, it will be 210. So 210 will come here. Now when I minus it, I will get 105 again. So 105, which is a previous divisor, now it become new dividend. It will come inside. Now 105 ones are 105. So HCF will be 105. Clear? Now we do next question. 3 wires of length 48 meter, 80 meter and 96 meter are to be cut into equal pieces. Find the greatest length of pieces that can be cut. So firstly, student, we will find the HCF of first two number with the help of longest division method. 48 will come outside, 80 will come inside. Now 48 ones are 48. Now 80 minus 48. When I minus it, I will get 32. Now this 48 will come inside. Now 32 ones are 32. So 32 will come here. Now we minus 48 and 32. I will get 16. Now this 32 will become new dividend. It will come inside. Now 16 twos are 32. So 2 I will write here as a quotient and 32 I will write down of 32, and then I will minus them. When I minus them, I get 0. Student, always keep one thing in mind, that last divisor is the HCF, not the quotient is a HCF. Clear? So here the HCF is 16. Clear? Now we will find the HCF of 16 and 96 in next step. When I divide it, I will get 16 6 are 96 and minus it, I will get 0. It means that HCF of 16 and 96 is 16. In both the cases, HCF is coming 16. So HCF of 48, 80 and 96 is 16. Hence the greatest length of the piece will be 16 meter. Clear? Now we will find the largest number which divide 245 and 1029, leaving remainder 5 in each case. When they said leaving remainder 5 in each case, it means that we have to minus 5 from both the numbers. So 245 minus 5 we get 240. 1029 minus 5 we get 1024. Now we use these two numbers for longest division method. Clear? Now see, we divided 240 divided by 1024. We will write a table of 240 in a rough column and we get 240 fours are 960. So we will write it and then we minus it. When we minus it, we get 64. Now this 240 will come inside. Then 64 threes are 192. So 192 we will write inside and then we minus 240 minus 192. Whatever we get, 48. Now 64 will come inside. Then 48 ones are 48. Then we minus it, we get 16. Then we divide it. And now 48 will be a new dividend. It will come inside. Now 16 twos are 32 and 16 threes are 48 and 16 fours are 64. So which number is closer to 48? 48. So 48 come in third position. So 3 will come as a quotient and 48 will come down of 48. You will minus it and the last divisor will be a HCF of 240 and 1024 and that will be a 16. And then we write a hence line. Hence the largest number is 16. Clear? Now we will find the greatest number which divide the 28, 41 and 66, leaving remainder 4, 5 and 6. Clear? So what we do here? Firstly we do 28 minus 4 because leaving remainder 4. 4 is a remainder of 28. So we minus 4 from 28, 5 from 41, 6 from 66. So 28 minus 4 is 24. 41 minus 5 is 36 and 66 minus 6 is 60. Now we will find the HCF and now we use 24, 36 and 60. Firstly we do of 24 and 36. See, I will find the HCF of 24 and 36. When I will divide it, 24 ones are 24. 36 minus 24 what come? 12. Now 24 will come inside. 12 twos are 24. Then 24 minus 24 what come? 0. So HCF in this case will be 12. Now I will use this 12 and next number. Next number is 60. Now I will find HCF of 12 and 60. 12 will come outside and 60 will come inside. 12 5s are 60. So 5 will come here as a quotient and 60 will come down of 60. So 60 minus 60 is 0. So HCF of 24, 36 and 60 will be 12. And hence line will be, hence the HCF of 24, 36 and 60 will be 12. Clear? So thank you students and have a nice day.